Scan to Network folder. From the home screen, scroll to the Network folder icon and press this. Choose a destination from the address book. You can name the file to be sent to make finding it easier. If you need to make any changes to the settings, i.e. file format or two-sided scanning, this could be done from the menus on the left-hand side. Once you are happy with the settings and your documents are placed in the automatic document feeder or placed on the platen glass, you can press Start. You will see the message saying Connecting and Scanning pop up, and you can see the status in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once the scanning is completed, your file will be delivered to your selected folder.